Holding and saving fiat money when people are waking up. Well, that's a scary, scary proposition. And the wake-up call is gaining strength from what I've been seeing within this channel and just by watching things going on right now. Question is it a scary proposition to get into silver with this currency? Really not backed by much. And well, I got this coin here that's a generic round. I guess in the year 2000 or so, I might have been able to pull off one of these for only 4 of them. Not only that, but if I had this coin in 2000, it might be a little difficult for me to obtain 4 of these pieces of paper. I think the reason why back in 2000 was because many people didn't understand what was going on with silver. Now today, for the same coin, it would probably cost me, and it did cost me, the area of a little over 30 of these. And it would be much easier to sell because, well, the awareness and people waking up to what's going on. They realize this piece of paper is backed by nothing, really has no intrinsic value whatsoever. And as Robert Kiyosaki and many greats have said, this is really trash more than anything. So we'll dispose of that piece of paper, and we will go through this video talking about some different things to look for when you're buying silver, look at some of the weights because we have a scale in front of the screen, and talk a little bit about scrap silver. What is important when you're getting these coins is, one, the name brand, and to find on the coin 1 fine ounce of silver. Now this one has it in a different language. This is a Philharmonic. And the name brands, if you know what they are, it's pretty much very simple. This is a Pan American coin, once again, very recognizable. This is your regular Silver Eagle. A Kitco coin. Once again, it says fine silver on there. You have this Sativa coin that came from the Drudders channel, and it's a very beautiful coin. I'm looking forward to the indica that should be coming in the next few days. You have a Pan American coin, Sunshine Mint. This here is an Engelhardt. You just get familiar with some of the different coins that are out there. This is a peace dollar, but the significant thing is to find that it says 999 fine silver on it. See, this coin I bought, it's a Blue Jays 1991 Eastern Division Championship coin. This is my mistake. And when you make mistakes, you learn from them. This mistake was I didn't look for 999 fine on here, and it did not state it. So I don't know if this is sterling, but this one's kind of scary. So I'm just going to throw this aside for now. And what we'll do is we will weigh these coins with this scale. We're going to weigh it in grams. And we'll wait for this to come up. It's tared at 0 grams, and we'll put in these silver coins. Now when you look at these coins, you notice that the colors may be a little bit off because it depends on the brand, depends on how old they are. If you see stuff like tarnish, this is a perfect example. You can see tarnish on the side of the coin. You know what? I look at the tarnish and I'm like, you know what? That's fine. And on the side here, that's where it says the 1 ounce 999 fine silver. So this was it's a nice looking coin. And then you take these coins here. These are mint maples. So you can see that they're a lot more shinier than the other coins. So what we see is that they weigh 1,694 grams. So let's get our trusty little calculator out. And what we'll do is we'll divide this by the amount of grams that's in a troy ounce. That is 31.1, which gives me a number of almost 54 and a half. 54.47, we will say. Now, how could that be? All these coins are 1 ounce coins. And the answer to that is because of how they weigh the... Well, no. The answer to that is because of the amount of extra silver you get with each coin. Because with most of these coins that you buy, you are not getting 1 ounce of silver. No, you are getting a shade over 1 ounce of silver. for example, 1 ounce here. Well, I guess it's hard for me to show you, but what I'll do is I'll show you that it says 31.9, but it's going to have to be tared. There we go. So now you can see here that this one coin says 31.4 grams. So when you get a bunch of them, you get 99 1 ounce coins, you theoretically would have 100 of them. The next one is scrap silver. These are Canadian scrap, and because I live in Canada, these are the ones that I prefer. Now I have 1,950 grams of these scrap silver coins, and for a while I was a little unsure whether I wanted to get them or not. But then I thought to myself, if these babies here are becoming a shortage, and there's only a few people that are really into silver, we'll just state for hypothetical purposes that 3% of the community is into silver, or 2.5% even, because we know it's low. If twice as many people get into it, then 2.5% would go to 5%. And anyone who's not into it, they got to get themselves their starting stack. And where are they going to get the silver when the shortage becomes an outage? And because of that, this is when I think this supply here, scrap silver, will work out very, very well. That's only an opinion. We'll wait and see over the next upcoming months if, of course, that will be the case. Thank you for watching and have yourself a magnificent day.